Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about comments and notes in Microsoft Excel. Okay, for the same, here I have created one table which contains some data, and in right side I have written all the shortcut keys for adding, deleting, and for showing all the comments and notes. Okay, so now we will see these one by one. So first of all, we will talk about the comment. So why we need comment? Comment is mainly used to indicate some, like if you want to indicate something on any particular cell. So in that case, we use comments. Like suppose here in the city, by mistakenly I have entered the wrong spelling of Chicago. Okay, so and now I'm reviewing this document for some person who is my employee, who might be my student or anyone. So now I want to indicate that mistake to that person, that he needs to change this particular spelling. So what I will do, instead of correcting it, I will add comments so that he will understand that okay, so that was mistake, and then he will quickly take the action on accordingly. So what we will do, we will add comment here. So to add the comment, we will use the shortcut keys Alt R and C. So once I press Alt R C on that cell, so it opens this screen where we can add comment. So I will write incorrect city, and then I will press enter. So it is marked that here I have added the comment on this date and at this time. And now I will leave this sheet as it is. So what it indicate, next time whenever that person look this sheet, he can easily identify, okay, so here is some comment, so he will click on that, and he found that okay, incorrect city. So what it will do, he will correct the spelling and then give a note again, corrected. So with the help of this, my issue is resolved. My and whenever next time I will get back to this sheet, I see this comment, okay, so he has corrected this. Right now it is showing both comments by Taxonomy because I'm the only user of this sheet. But if you have shared this sheet with some other person, so it will show that person name. Okay, so that's how we can add the comment. Now, suppose I want to delete this comment because my spelling is correct now. Now I want to remove this comment. So what we will do, we will click on this cell and then press Alt R and D. So this comment is deleted. Now, a third one is for showing the all comments. So let me add some more comments here. So Alt R C comment 1, Alt R C comment 2, and Alt R C comment 3. So I have added three comments here. Suppose right now we have only this much of data, means 6 records, but it might be possible we have more than 1,000 lines of records. So in that case, we will not be able to check the comments manually. So what we will do, we will press the shortcut key to show all the comments, and that key is Alt R and H1. So just press Alt R H1. So once I hit this shortcut key, it opens this screen where we can see this on this dialog box. We can see that okay, so this is the comment for this cell, and it indicates that this comment is belongs to this cell. And once I click on this, so it will show that C6. This comment is for C6. This comment is for D9. So that's how we can show all the comments. Okay, and if you want to unhide all the comments, then you can again use this command. So it is for showing, show and hide. So we can write hide also, because if I press the same key again, so it will hide the comments. Now to delete this comment, what we will do, we will type the command Alt R D. So it will remove all the comments that we have selected. Okay, so Alt R D. So this is all about the comments. Now we will see about notes. So notes is similar kind of thing, or we can say that it can be worked as a alternative for this, because it is also used to store some information for a particular cell. Let's say if robot is one person and I wanted to store some information of robot in this sheet, but I don't want to show on that my Excel. So what I will do, I will add notes for it. So to add the notes, what we will do, we will type the command alt r t n, and now here I will write robot is working in sales department. So with this notes, all my other employees can easily identify that here I have stored some notes for Robert. So he will directly notified that okay, so he Robert is working in sales department. Okay, so this is the way to attach some information with particular cell. And similarly, as we can show and hide all the comments. Similarly, we can show and hide all the notes as well. And to show and hide all the notes, what we need to, let me add some more notes here. So alt r t n notes second. So to show all the notes, what you need to do, you have to write the shortcut key alt r t s. So once you press alt r t s, it will show all the notes given to all the cells. So from here we can easily identify, okay, so are the all these are the all nodes assigned to these cells. Okay, and to hide the nodes again, we have to press or use the same shortcut key again, alt r t s. So this is all about the notes. And to remember these shortcut key, what you need to do, you have to press alt, then just follow the red black mark. For review, go with R. Then for adding the new comment, you can go with C. And for H1 for showing all, and if you want to go for notes, so just press T. Then P for N for new note, P for previous, T for next note, show all notes, and convert to comments. So we can also convert all the notes to comments as well. So for that, we just need to replace S with C. Okay, so as per your requirement, you can use this option. If you don't want to go with the shortcut keys, so you can directly go to the review tab, and from here you can directly select whatever you want to select. Like for if you want to go for the next comment and next notes, so you can take these navigation also. And for this is for comments and this is for notes. Okay, and if you want to delete any particular notes or comments, so you can directly click on this delete, so it will delete that comment or note. So this is all about for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmat.